9 soft skills every employee will need in the age of artificial intelligence (AI). Technical skills and data literacy are obviously important in this age of artificial intelligence, big data, and automation. But that does not mean we should ignore the human side of work skills in areas that robots cannot do so well. I believe these softer skills will become even more critical for success as the nature of work evolves, and as machines take on more of the easily automated aspects of work. With this in mind, what skills should employees be looking to cultivate going forward? Here are 9 soft skills that I think are going to become even more precious to employers in the future. 1. Creativity. Robots and machines can do many things, but they struggle to compete with humans when it comes to our ability to create, imagine, invent, and dream. With all the new technology coming our way, the workplaces of the future will require new ways of thinking. This makes creative thinking and human creativity an important asset. 2. Analytical or critical thinking. Along with creative thinking, the ability to think analytically will be more precious, particularly as we navigate the changing nature of the workplace and the changing division of labor between humans and machines. That is because people with critical thinking skills can come up with innovative ideas, solve complex problems and weigh up the pros and cons of various solutions using logic and reasoning, rather than relying on gut instinct or emotion. 3. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence describes a person's ability to be aware of, control, and express their own emotions and be aware of the emotions of others. So, when we talk about someone who shows empathy and works well with others, we are describing someone with a high emotional intelligence. Given that machines cannot easily replicate humans' ability to connect with other humans, it makes sense that those with high emotional intelligence will be in even greater demand in the workplace. 4. Interpersonal communication skills. Related to emotional intelligence, the ability to successfully exchange information between people will be a vital skill, meaning employees must hone their ability to communicate effectively with other people using the right tone of voice and body language in order to deliver their message clearly. 5. Active learning with a growth mindset. Someone with a growth mindset understands that their abilities can be developed and that building skills leads to higher achievement. They are willing to take on new challenges, learn from their mistakes, and actively seek to expand their knowledge. Such people will be much in demand in the workplace of the future because both artificial intelligence and other rapidly advancing technological skills will become outdated even faster than they do today. Therefore, those with learning and growth mindset will always learn and adapt to new skills required to remain relevant in the workplace. 6. Judgment and decision making. We already know that computers are capable of processing information better than the human brain, but ultimately, it is humans who are responsible for making the business-critical decisions in an organization. It is humans who have to take into account the implications of their decisions in terms of the business and the people who work in it. Decision-making skills will, therefore, remain important. But there is no doubt that the nature of human decision-making will evolve. Specifically, technology will take care of more menial and mundane decisions while humans will focus on higher-level and more complex decisions. 7. Leadership skills. The workplaces of the future will look quite different from today's hierarchical organizations. Project-based teams, remote teams, and fluid organizational structures will probably become more common. But that will not diminish the importance of good leadership. Even within project teams, individuals will still need to take on leadership roles to tackle issues and develop solutions. So, common leadership traits like being inspiring and helping others become the best versions of themselves will remain critical. 8. Diversity and cultural intelligence. Workplaces are becoming more diverse and open, so employees will need to be able to respect, understand, and adapt to others who might have different ways of perceiving the world. This will obviously improve how people interact within the company, but I think it will also make the business's services and products more inclusive too. 9. Embracing change. Even for me, the pace of change right now is startling, particularly when it comes to artificial intelligence. This means people will have to be agile and cultivate the ability to embrace and even celebrate change. Employees will need to be flexible and adapt to shifting workplaces, expectations, and required skill sets. And, crucially, they will need to see change not as a burden but as an opportunity to grow. Summary. We do not need to be intimidated by artificial intelligence. The human brain is incredible. It is far more complex and more powerful than any artificial intelligence in existence. So rather than fearing artificial intelligence and automation and the changes this will bring to workplaces, we should all be looking to harness our unique human capabilities with artificial intelligence to make positive impact to our businesses and organizations across all industries. Remember to share this video with others to inform them about the softer skills that artificial intelligence and automation will never replace. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Talent and Skills Hub, Enabling Environment. Or you can visit our website, ts-hub.com.